Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my wash routine and also how to twist your hair to achieve this twist out. So first you want to start with freshly washed hair. I personally did not shampoo my hair this time. I didn't have much product buildup. If you do have product buildup, I do suggest that you shampoo your hair. I washed my hair last week, so like I said, I didn't have product buildup. And then you want to section your hair into 4 sections like so. The parts do not have to be perfect. And ooh child, my lips looking a little ashy, so give me 1 second.
Y'all need some lip gloss. Y'all mouth getting dry talking about the same thing. Cause mine is.
We're going to use our deep conditioner from Mielle Organics. I've fallen in love with these products. They smell so good. They work really great for my hair. Just take some of that deep conditioner, work in small sections, and finger comb from root to end. It's very important for you to take your time and work in those small sections. Using your fingers to kind of comb through it and detangle as you go along. I got my hair color around the middle of November, so I'm excited about seeing all of this new growth in these videos. Use your fingers to comb through all the way to the end, just getting rid of any tangles that you possibly can with your fingers. And what I like to do at the end of each section is split it into 3 ways and just create a little braid like this. And ignore my nails, I'm going to paint those while I sit up on the dryer, okay? Now that the first section is complete, we're just going to do the exact same thing and all the exact same steps throughout the rest of the hair. I'm going to start with the back section, starting at the bottom in those small sections, and just apply the same concept throughout the rest of my head. Now that we're done with all 4 sections, we're going to take our plastic shower cap and just tuck those braids under and get ready to sit up under the hair dryer. Sitting up under the hair dryer is not mandatory. However, if you do, we're going to sit up under the dryer for 30 minutes. If you don't, you only need to leave your deep conditioner in for about 15 minutes. And I'm going to just repeat that because I feel like the people in the back need to hear this. You only need to leave your deep conditioner in for 15 minutes. Alright, we are back and nails have been painted, period. I am not one of them. Okay, we're going to take the shower cap off. Be careful because that deep conditioner can be hot and it can burn your neck. We're just going to go through and take all of our braids down. Okay, all of our braids are down, so now we're going to go wash it all out. We're going to go back to our 4 sections, and I had a time gap in this video, so I'm going to refresh my hair with some water, but a water bottle is a good idea to keep close by. We're going to go in with our Mielle Organics leave-in conditioner, starting in small sections, working from the roots to the end. The exact same concept that we did with the leave-in conditioner. You're going to finger comb all the way throughout the entire head. Now that the entire head this done with leave-in conditioner, we're going to go in with our cream using the Mielle Organics Curl Smoothie. I love this cream. My hair tends to do a whole lot better when I use thicker creams because it kind of dries out fast. But this has done really good for my hair. Same concept, ain't nothing changed. Start from the roots to the ends, except you don't have to use such small sections when you're using the creams because you don't want it to just weigh your hair down. Now you're gonna go in with your oils. I have a mix of oils and just get in there really good. Just be sure to get that oil really good on your hair. Focus on your ends as well. Make sure you coat your ends with some oil because that's where the most damage starts. And then we're just gonna go straight into the twist. Just take a section of hair. Again, the parts do not have to be straight. Split them into 2 sections and then just twist all the way down. Just creating a plait like our moms used to do. When you get to the end of your hair, just give the end a little swirl. That's just to keep the plaits from coming apart. And then just continue on in the same manner throughout the rest of your hair. Again, the parts do not have to be straight. I don't like straight parts when I'm doing a twist out because when you take them down at the end, you don't want those defined parts in your hair. You want your hair to be messy and just fluff as is, and I find better results when I just finger part and just pick sections. And this is the final result. We have our entire head twisted now. So what we'll do is we'll tie this with a silk scarf. We'll sleep on it, let it dry, and then stay tuned to the next video as I show you guys how to take down these twists.